Hello everyone. In the video of how to arrange your summer internship 2022, I have told you that who are the one who are required to take the approval from us for the company detail form by filling the company detail form. Students who are arranging the internship by self, it is mandatory for them to take the approval of the company. How to take the approval of the company? You need to fill company detail form. Before filling the company detail form, you need to find the company, right? So is there any guideline for that? We will talk about it the same in this video. First, when you should fill the company detail form? Ideally, if you get selected in any company already, right? Let's say tomorrow you go to talk to any company official, you give your interview, or through your personal channels you talk to them and give the interview, or any way possible. If you are selected, then you can fill the company detail form. Or if company gives you initial assurance or initial consent that we might can provide you the internship if you bring the NOC from us, from the university side, in that case you can fill the company detail form. Now what are the guidelines for arranging the internship? Guidelines for MBA students and UG students different. So guidelines first for MBA students. First guideline is company must have valid website. It is mandatory. UG, PG, MCOM, any student, if the company is not having the website, we cannot verify it, so not allowed. Must be a private or public limited company. Government companies are also allowed. Training with franchisee not allowed for MBA student. Franchisee, dealers not allowed. Training with chartered accountant is also not allowed for MBA students. Company firm which are charging from the student, means you go to a company, you give the interview, and company say give me 5,000, 2,000, 1,000, 100 rupees, then I will give you the internship. If the company is charging from you, in that case it is not allowed, right? After you fill the company detail form, though we try to issue the NOC letter within 2 working days minimum, right? As everything is going online, so you will get your NOC also online in your mail, which you can take printout also. If you want to take printout, you can come into the placement office and take the printout from anyone in the placement team. Mr. Sunil can give you, or Simranjit Kaur, she can give you. Now, is there any another requirement for MBA students? Yes, minimum turnover of the company should be 100 crore. If you are finding the company, minimum turnover should be 100 crore. This is for the MBA guideline. There is one special note for the MBA students that you should try to find out the internship into the reputed company. It can be Fortune 1000 company, NSE, BSE listed company, right? ET 500 companies and other companies related to that, right? These are the guidelines for MBA students for finding the company for internship. Now guidelines for UG and MCOM students. First, second point, same for MBA, UG. Company must have valid website. Government, public sector company, private sector company, they are allowed. They must be limited company. Training with franchisee is allowed only for undergraduates and MCOM student. You can do under franchisee also. Training with chartered accountant is also allowed for BCom, BBA, BSc, MCOM students, right? UG and MCOM students, it is allowed. In case of chartered accountant, when you will be filling company detail form, in the company detail form there is one tab called as website, right? Now that chartered accountant will not be having the website. So in case of chartered accountant, in the website column you will mention chartered accountant and the membership number of that chartered accountant. This some random chartered accountant membership number I have mentioned. So whichever firm you are doing the internship in, you ask the membership number of that chartered accountant and you fill over there in the form. Companies firm which are charging not allowed. NOC letter will take this much days. We will try to give it to you in 2 working days, but as the lot of students are filling the form, so it might take 6 to 7 days, working days. So that's why fill it early, because many a time students say, sir, company is asking my letter. So you know, if you say I have filled this letter and give me the NOC within 2 minutes, that's not possible, right? So fill it in advance. Now in case of MBA student, we have made the minimum turnover of 100 crore. In case of UG and MCOM student, minimum turnover is 10 crore. Right? Now the question is, where is the company detail form? The link of video of company detail form is in the description of this video. Watch that video. You will get the company detail form. First, see how to fill that form, and then you can take the link and fill the company detail form. Thank you, everyone.